What is the age like when you would recommend starting homeopathic treatment if at all required, or if the person thinks, okay, I want to go for homeopathy? Would you start like right from the beginning or from the birth, or what is your recommendation?
I always say parents should start as early as possible. Generally, parents look at everybody looks at homeopathy as later on.
Correct.
आम्ही सांगता की when everything fails, then
Absolutely.
we look for one. But I always say start it early. And why do you start it early? Because there's always a process in which disease follows. For example, in kids, nobody is going to come to you with asthma. Nobody will, as a child, nobody will directly come to you as soon as he is born saying asthma zali. Now, the first and the most important thing that generally we see in kids is they'll come saying that there is itching of the body, nappy rash, or there's some kind of skin related complaint. They make use of ointments, they suppress it. They stop using ointments, it comes back again. Again they'll use ointments, again they'll suppress it. Till a time comes when the body realizes saying that you're not allowing to throw the toxins at the level of the skin. Where can I throw it next? Next, you'll start sneezing, runny nose, sneezing, runny nose. You make use of nasal drops, nasal sprays. This gets better. It goes into the lower respiratory tract. Frequent coughs, frequent colds. You're on heavy doses of medications, cough mixtures and all. This gets better. Then it goes into asthma. So you try to treat asthma, child goes into maybe breathlessness, joint complaint. So what happens is from birth, the disease is being shifted from a less important, that is from the level of skin, to something that's more important, more internal, something that's can
more
cause
like
more serious conditions. So we try to explain parents ki what do we expect, okay, so that they do not go into such severe complications later on. So it's always better to consult us early, because what happens is the parents and all live in a lot of fear. Bhita dotrak.
Correct.
And you put a slight fear and slight zor, they're scared. They do not know what to do. So it's basically to understand, make them understand as to how is the body reacting to the situation. Whether you need to just live it, it'll heal, or you need to medicate it.